What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem or ecological system consists of all the organisms and the abiotic pools or physical environment with which they interact. The biotic and abiotic components are together through nutrient cycles and energy flows. Ecosystem processes are the transfers of energy and materials from one pool to another. Ecosystem processes are known to take place at a wide range of scales. Structure of the ecosystem. The structure of an ecosystem is characterized by the organization of both biotic and abiotic components. This includes the distribution of energy in our environment. It also includes the climatic conditions prevailing in that particular environment. They are mainly divided into two categories: biotic components and abiotic components. The biotic and abiotic components are interrelated in an ecosystem. It is an open system where the energy and components can flow throughout the boundaries. Biotic components. Biotic components refer to all living components in an ecosystem. Based on nutrition, biotic components can be categorized into autotrophs, heterotrophs, and saprotrophs or decomposers. Abiotic components. Abiotic components are the non-living component of an ecosystem. It includes air, water, soil, minerals, sunlight, temperature, nutrients, wind, altitude, turbidity, etc. Functions of ecosystem. The functional attributes of the ecosystem keep the components running together. Ecosystem functions are natural processes or exchange of energy that take place in various plant and animal communities of different biomes of the world. For instance, green leaves prepare food and roots absorb nutrients from the soil. Herbivores feed on the leaves and the roots and in turn serve as food for the carnivores. Fundamentally, ecosystem functions are exchange of energy and nutrients in the food chain. These exchanges sustain plant and animal life on the planet, as well as the decomposition of organic matter and the production of biomass. All these functions of the ecosystem take place through delicately balanced and controlled processes. Types of ecosystems. An ecosystem can be as small as an oasis in a desert or as big as an ocean. There are two types of ecosystems: terrestrial ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystems are exclusively land-based ecosystem. They are further divided into forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, tundra ecosystem, desert ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystems are ecosystems present in a body of water. These are divided into freshwater and marine water ecosystem. Conclusion. The vegetation contributes significantly to the regulation of the atmospheric composition by taking up carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. At the same time, it influences groundwater levels and the movement of water and wind across the landscape. Many ecosystem services have been shown to have significant economic value in terms of their contributions to production and consumption. Still, most ecosystem services remain free of charge at the point of use. Some positive examples are the most well-established market for ecosystem services such as organic foods and the ecotourism industry, as well as the direct trade with carbon emission reduction and sequestration services. People should learn to not interfere with the ecosystem to keep its balance, which is extremely important for the living beings.